store it for 10 to 12 minutes.
So a lash lift,
Yeah.
pure, 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And a lash, oops,
That's
a lash curl, 15 minutes.
Yeah.
About,
Also depends on the material that you have as well. So the one that you have is Reflectocell. So you need to understand in the future, let's say if you do run out of this, you want to know what the curing time is. Now, the one that we're doing is, let me just give the ingredient list as well.
is it in here?
No, I'm gonna print it out for you now.
Oh, okay.
I didn't even have it, I just got this. Yep, 10 minutes. It says here 10 minutes. And if you want to do curling, it's going to be shortened by 2 minutes. Which means, let's say if you're doing the lash lift, you're going to leave it for 12 minutes. And if you're going to do the lash curl, it's going to be left for 10 minutes, not for 15, for 10 minutes.
In this trap. Wow. I'm so curious.
Alright, so introduction for lash lifting and tinting. Lash lifting and tinting are cosmetic procedures aimed at enhancing the appearance of natural lashes. Lash lifting involves perming the lashes to create lifted, curled effect, while tinting adds color to the lashes for a darker, more defined look. These treatments provide an alternative to lash extensions, offering long-looking lashes with minimum maintenance. Who is this service great for? Lash lift services are generally beneficial for individuals who desire to enhance the appearance of their natural eyelashes. It is particularly suitable for people with straight or downward pointing lashes, as it creates a semi-permanent curl that opens up the eyes and adds length and definition to the lashes. Here are some of the specific people that might find the lash lift services great. Someone who has straight lashes. It's ideal for the individuals with naturally straight lashes. The lash curl or appear droopy. The treatment lifts the lashes from the roots, creating a natural looking curl that lasts for several weeks. Number 2, for someone who's busy with their lifestyle, someone who wants to put things together but is tired of doing daily curling and wants to have a little bit of an